So we've just left and dad is driving अभी. Sunny uncle, Manju uncle are behind. तो अभी हम लोग जाने वाले हैं. Our first pit stop is going to be वापी. उससे पहले हम लोग को हैप्पी अंकल को पिकअप करना है. We're going to pick him up. और थोड़ी देर में मैं चलाऊंगा. I'm going to have a Red Bull. तो छोटी मोटी चीज़ों की शॉपिंग करनी थी वो हमने कर लिया. And now we're ready to go. We're just crossing the road now. We're now on the Bombay-Delhi Expressway and it's showing around 16 hours and the expressway is just beautiful, too good. So we're now in Ahmedabad, we're fueling up the car and sunrise is happening. We're kind of tired but now it's my turn to drive. It's around 15 hours to Chandigarh and I think I'm going to drive the entire way now. Finally entered Rajasthan. Next stop is Udaipur. Just crossed Udaipur and we've taken a break now. Everybody is having some poha over there. And even Sunny Uncle's getting poha, I guess. We've come to this place called Kabir Bagh. And the trip is going well. I'm really having fun in my lovely V8 LC. And after this break, we're going to head towards Chandigarh. So we're finally on the Trans Haryana Expressway. मजा आ रहा है आपको?
बहुत जबरदस्त.
क्या बोलते हो पा रोड्स के बारे में? Are they fun?
Yeah, 100%.
Manju uncle, how are you?
Good.
Sunny uncle sleeping, I guess. So now we're gonna go directly to Chandigarh. So we're now near Ambala, I guess. We're 136 kilometers away from Chandigarh. And we've just come to eat some stuff. We've called for dosa, chole bhature, coffee. Because everyone's a bit hungry, even I'm a bit hungry. So I'm going to be sharing the food. And it's been a great journey so far. Anticipating in like 2 hours we should be in Chandigarh. And one thing, that has come to me seeing everyone driving over here is that we need to be very cautious when we're driving on these national highways. Because we've got so many animals and people, children, women crossing the road and it's pitch dark. There are no lights on the highways. So, we need to be mindful how we drive. I mean, I understand it's not our mistake that someone randomly comes in the middle of the way. But yeah, we need to sometimes, adjust. I wouldn't say we need to adjust to this, but it is not right what's happening. But, until these things are fixed, we should be cautious because we don't want to hurt anyone and it might not be our fault, but we always want to be on the safer side. And coming back, weather is beautiful. It's not really cold. The weather is very satisfactory right now. There's a hint of cold wind and it's nice. It's satisfactory. So we're going to be eating right now and I'm going to show you all inside what all I've got. Good morning guys, this is day 1 of our North India trip and right now we're in Chandigarh. We reached at night and it took us around 23 hours to reach from Mumbai. It was a very long journey but we all enjoyed so much that we didn't realize how the time was passing by. So I've just gotten up a while back right now and I'm gonna take a shower. I might skip breakfast because I'm not hungry and then I have to go to the salon, I have to trim my beard and everything. And so yeah, it's gonna be fun and let's begin this vlog. Now fresh, I've taken a shower, I've taken everything and now we're going to be heading to Hair Masters. It's a big salon over here. I have to get my beard trimmed, I have to get a pedicure done. So it's going to be pretty grand. Just look at the weather over here. It's slightly sunny on one side and it's cloudy on one side, but with cold breeze coming through, it's amazing. And we're having a lot of fun, so now let's go. Now heading towards the cars. I'm driving the RS Q8. G-Wagon's parked back there, the electric one. The 63 is parked right there. Even the RS Q8 is right there. And we're gonna get the cars out and now we're gonna head for a drive. So now we've got these paper mats that we're gonna put in the car. Got an intense journey ahead, so we need the cars to be spick and span. So now I'm just gonna take out the car and then we'll talk again. So now we're finally on our way to charge the car. We need to charge the G580. And initially I was going to charge zone, but now I'm going towards Mercedes-Benz's charging station. They've got a good 180 kilowatt charger over there. So we're just gonna head there and we're gonna charge the car right now. Now we're here at Joshi AutoZone. We need to get the G580 charged. They have a 180 kilowatt charger over here, which is great. So now we're going to take the 63 and the RSQ for a drive. We just reached and now we're here to meet the CEO. He's a very great friend of ours. We're going to meet him, chill for a while, and then we're going to leave. Just leaving from Joshi AutoZone, we had a good time over here with our friend. And I'm going to be driving the Audi. I don't know how many times I've mentioned that. But right now we're probably going to go to Hair Masters, where I'm going to get it trimmed done. And yeah, let's go. How's it driving the G-Wagon in Punjab?
Too good.
So now we've reached Hair Masters. We're going to go here. And we're going to get it trimmed done. So let's get it done. So I'm done. I got a beard trim, I got a haircut, I got a pedicure done, and now I'm going to be driving the EQG. And Happy Uncle's driving the RSQ, so it's going to be fun now. I think we're going to eat somewhere right now. We're in Sector 9D. We've ordered momos and pizzas, and everyone's super hungry. Even I'm hungry. It's been a long day, but now we're going to relax a bit and chill out, and I'll show you all the food. Everyone's having momos. I also just had tandoori and veg momos. It had corn and spinach, the normal one, the steamed one, and the tandoori. I don't know what filling it had, but everything's really tasty. Manju uncle, how is it? We're at Bharat Petroleum right now. I'm just fueling up the car. So we had pizza, we had momos. It was good. I had a bit of a flimsy experience with the pizza. It fell on my hand and it was very hot, but I was cool later on. So now we're gonna fill fuel. I'm filling speed in my car. And from here, we're going to be heading for another drive. We're going to chill around, move around. And you guys are coming with me. We've just reached Jubilee Walk. And we're going to chill over here. Dad's just parking the car. And we're going to chill over here, probably, have a coffee or something. So I had to charge the car. We just reached the charging station. And the car is charging. So the car was at like 34% right now. And we were chilling, we bought a few things. Dad was having hot chocolate. So while everyone was sitting, I thought I'd come and put the car on charge. I asked Dad, he also told that yes, we need to charge the car. So we're just charging it and now we're gonna enjoy, chill around for a while. So yes, let's go. I'll take you all to the hot chocolate place again. So the car's now charging. We're here at CVTL. Everyone's sitting, having coffee, enjoying. I'm Manju uncle are sitting here. And everyone's sitting behind the camera. So we're all having a good time and we're probably gonna go for another drive, roam around for a few hours, then we might go to sleep. So it's been a long day. We're with our friends. We've just come to have some chai, Maggi, maybe chop. And RSQ at his pocket home. We've just got both the G-Wagons. So now we're gonna grab something to eat and after this we'll probably drop off our friends and then reach home. It's been a really long day, but it's been a very fun day. Also, I came to know that Ramadan has started. I want to wish each and everyone who follows Islam a very happy Ramadan. May God bless us all. And it's a month of learning, it's a month of growing, it's a month of peace. So I wish everybody has a great Ramadan. And now I'm going to be eating something. I'll show you all what I'm eating. Good morning or good night, guys. I don't know what to say. It's like 7:30 in the morning. We had a lot of fun. We roamed around the city at night, and now it's morning. The weather is beautiful, and the scenery around me is beautiful. So I'm just gonna go to sleep right now. It's been a long day yesterday, and I've had a long night. So once I go to sleep, now I'm gonna relax, and we're gonna catch up in the day. See you guys. Stay safe. Follow Kabir Singh Bajaj. Follow Punjab Singh Global.